Today we are looking at the 2025 Cadillac XT6 in stellar black metallic. This all-wheel drive 7-seater SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we'll look at are these beautiful maple sugar leather seats. These seats contain heating in the second row, while they contain heating and ventilation in the front. This maple sugar theme is followed throughout the entire interior, with wooden accent panels, as well as microfiber suede accents and headliner. Your leather-wrapped steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, Cadillac Super Cruise with an OnStar subscription, a heated steering wheel option, phone controls, media and volume controls, and paddle shifters. To the right of the steering wheel, you'll find your windshield wiper settings, and to the left, you'll find your headlight settings. Behind the steering wheel is your gauge cluster, with a screen in the center, displaying things such as vehicle information, fuel range, media display, and more. In the center of the dash is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation. Below, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as your settings for your heated and ventilated seats in the front row. Beside your shifter are plenty of media controls, as well as your traction control and drive mode selector. The center console offers loads of room for belongings, as well as a USB-C and USB-A charging port, as well as a SD card tray and a wireless charging pad to the left. On your left-hand side, you'll find your power controls for mirrors, windows, and locks, as well as memory seat settings. Beside this is your park brake and a couple more controls for your digital gauge cluster. Throughout the cabin, you'll find Bose Performance Series speakers, delivering crisper, louder audio. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we can look at are these 12-spoke alloy wheels, as well as red brake calipers signifying the sport trim. Above, you've got tinted windows and gloss black roof rails. We can head to the back of the vehicle, and with the touch of a button, release our power liftgate to showcase the spacious cargo area, where on the right hand side, we can use these controls to lower that third row of seating, as well as the second row, extending your cargo room that much more. Jumping into the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with captain seating, plenty of legroom, their own climate control options, as well as heated seat controls, additional USB charging ports, and cup holders. The third row of seating also offers USB-C charging ports and cup holders on both sides. Look up and you'll see that beautiful panoramic sunroof, allowing light into the entire cabin. As we head to the front of the vehicle, we can take a look at these vertical LED headlights. And since this is the sport trim, you'll find a blacked out grille with the Cadillac logo perched in the center. And that is the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport in stellar black metallic, located at Wolfe, Cadillac, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.